I'll guide you on disabling Show More Options in Windows 11. Stay tuned for a quick and simplified desktop interface. The first step is to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Once Command Prompt is open, you can enter the following command to disable Show More Options in Windows 11. After executing the command, you must restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Once your computer restarts, you won't see the context menu with Show More Options when you right-click on a file or folder. If you change your mind and want to re-enable the context menu with the Show More Options in Windows 11, you can easily do so by entering the following command in Command Prompt. The first step is to open Registry Editor. You can do this by typing Registry Editor into the Windows search bar and selecting it from the search results. When you have Registry Editor open, navigate to the following path. You can do this by expanding folders on the left-hand menu. Right-click on the CLSID folder and select New and GT key. Alternatively, you can right-click a location in the right pane. A new keys folder will be created. Rename the key folder to. It's essential to use this exact value to avoid any errors. Create a new subkey named InProcServer32 in the renamed keys folder. After completing the above process, you must restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. The context menu with the Show More Options should now be disabled.